all of the military things that you make, all the coin displays and all that stuff, they all have logos on them. One, is there like a Rolodex of logos you have? And that was a dumb question, but they send you the logos with a picture. What are the challenges of turning those into vectors, and what problems do you have, and how do you do it?
So that's that's a rabbit hole. So long story short, I asked them for SVG, sizable vector graphic. And a lot of times they'll send you, a PNG or a JPEG. They don't know what it means, which, again, if you don't know what something means, just ask. I'll be happy to explain it to them or whoever. But you get the picture, and it's probably, they found it on the internet, and they took a picture with their phone, and then they put it to a fax machine, and then they give it to you. So the challenge is, first step is I go on Google, I search for it. If I could find it as SVG, well, there's, 10, 15 minutes, I didn't have to work on it. If it's something that I can tell right away, I can go ahead and turn to SVG format. I usually use Lightburn and do the trace function and try to pull it out of there. If that don't work, I go to Inkscape and I'll try it in there. And if that doesn't work, I have other programs on my iPad that I can actually pull the image in, start tracing with my pencil, and I'll draw it out and use almost like Illustrator, use the nodes and whatnot to create a good vector image. And during this process, it's gotten faster and faster. I can pretty much look at a picture and tell what I need to do with it. But it's allowed me to stop paying other people for my SVGs. I can do it myself now. So
nice.